Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho. First, let's get you started with the basics. Zoho provides a powerful collection of business applications designed to streamline your operations. To begin, simply create your free account and then navigate to the main dashboard. Take a moment to personalize your workspace, arranging your most used tools for quick and easy access. This initial setup will save you valuable time later on. Now, let's dive into some of Zoho's core applications. Zoho CRM is excellent for tracking customer interactions, managing leads, and boosting your sales efforts. For your communication needs, Zoho Mail offers a robust and secure email platform. And if you're working on team projects, Zoho Projects is your go-to for organizing tasks, setting deadlines, and collaborating seamlessly with your colleagues. These tools are designed to work together. One of Zoho's greatest strengths is its ability to integrate various applications. You can connect your CRM with your accounting software, for example, to create a truly unified workflow. Furthermore, leverage automation tools like Zoho Flow to handle repetitive tasks, saving you countless hours. Imagine automatically sending follow-up emails or updating records. You can also configure alerts and notifications to ensure you never miss an important update or deadline. To truly maximize your Zoho experience, I recommend a few key practices. First, don't hesitate to explore Zoho's comprehensive help documentation and active community forums. They are fantastic resources. Next, dive into advanced features such as custom reports and analytics to gain deeper insights into your business. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review and fine-tune your Zoho setup. Small adjustments can lead to significant improvements in your overall efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.